Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll show you how to share games on Steam using family sharing. To share games on Steam, follow this step. First of all, you have to open Steam on your PC. Click on Steam in the top left corner. Here you can see this. Tap onto it and select settings. Tap onto the settings icon. In the settings menu, click on family, the third option here. Tap onto family. If you have not set it up yet, like the family option, just create or join a Steam family. You can create a family. You should create a family. Just tap onto it. You will have to enter the family name and click create. Like I will enter. Then you have to tap on to create. And then you have to click invite a member. As you can see, I have some issues, but you should follow my steps to do it correctly. After choosing your gang's family's name, then tap on to create. After tapping onto it, you can find the option or invite a member or friends or family members. Steam will suggest users from your friend list. Select a person and choose whether to invite them as an adult or child, then click invite. Once the reception accepts the invitation, go to your library. You will see shared games here, including free games, play time and usage history. To manage your family, go back to the settings, Steam settings, then family. Use the drop down menu next to a member's name to cancel an invite or remove an invite. So that's it. Now you know how to share games on Steam using family sharing. So if this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.